Dear learners, though we have seen that there are 8 major techniques in selective inventory control methods which are frequently used across the industry, but there is also a ninth method which is rarely used in the companies, and this method is called as PQR analysis. Now PQR analysis is done with the criteria as a product life or shelf life of an item. Now, shelf life is useful life of a material within which material shows all the characteristics of its functions. Now, what is P, what is Q and what is R? Let's understand. So, P class items are those items which have longest shelf life. Q class items have moderate shelf life and R class items have a shortest shelf life, and hence more attention is required on R class. This PQR analysis is beneficial in the industry like food and beverages or even medical drugs. The shelf life of product varies industry to industry. So simple example of PQR products. So P class can include the packet of biscuits which has little more shelf life. The Q class includes the baked products like cake which has the moderate shelf life, and R class can include the product like milk which has very short shelf life.